We're going to hello. What's going on? Okay, we're going to change oil. This Toyota Yaris 5W30. So I take out the bonnet. The bonnet is there. So if you want to watch the video how I painted this side and do some cross repair, just check my videos. Okay, so the first thing to do is open this thing. Very tight. This one, open that. So open this, put it there, and the dipstick as well, and then we'll drain the oil. So before you drain the oil, just run the engine so that it will flush itself. So just open like that, and then we go at the bottom. These are the tools needed: 14 and the oil filter wrench. So this is the number of the oil filter, 5W30 oil. Okay, so this is the engine, as you can see. So this is the oil filter over there. We need to open that. Sometimes you can open it by hand. But it's leaking, a little bit leaking there, I don't know why. And this is the drain plug, 14. So this is the drain plug, it's 14. Okay. So open it like this, and that's how you open it. And open it by hand. Make sure you have this pan, because it will squirt. Open. Missed the hole. So I put the wrench and then just open it. Okay, and then open it by hand. Once it's open, you can manually so there's oil there. So here is the oil filter. Take out this plastic here. So before installing, I always put oil on the this will protect the engine when you start it up, so that there's an oil circulating it. So we can put it there. Okay, so we just tighten this. That's it. That's enough. And then this one as well. Okay, that's enough. So just check with the leaks, and then we're ready to go. Just fill up the oil. I'm going to fill up the oil. Checking it. Perfect. Do not put too much because it will damage the engine. Okay, perfect. Done. We just need to start the engine.